Hi guys, this is Nikolai, and this is my M3C propeller guards unwrapping video. Hey guys, so let's see. As you can see, they're kind of similar in size. What you don't realize is that this is the size of one piece. Let's take a look. Let's get that drawn out. I really like this jock strap. So, still kind of looking not bad, right? Kinda, yeah. Let's open this guy. As I told you, I already unwrapped removed actual plastic surface as they come. Still pretty small, right? But wait. So this is RB, right back, okay. And this is right front, so I guess we're right on the way. I guess they're going over here. Doesn't look up really. Oh, yeah, we need to put a little force. Okay, this one clicked. And that should be pretty easy because there is nothing much left. Just to make sure this is left front. Let's take a little effort to snug them in. Click. Okay, so you see how huge it is? It's giant. So this is the box. You think it is, but it's actually more than 4 of those. And yes, as many of you have said, the idea is that to give the proper space against the propellers, but still, that thing is huge. Okay, I guess that is it. So, this is the thing assembled. It's huge, as I told you. I mean, the drone is not small, but this is like, wow. Anyway, well, hopefully it will do the work and prevent the props from being smashed on the walls or trees or whatever. But yeah, here it is. Propeller guards, Mavic 3. Enjoy, fly safely. Bye. For those of you who decided to stay a little longer, here's the bonus unpacking. Snug as a bug on a rug. You don't need the glue for this one. Oh, there is a latch. Okay, don't break it. And there is a latch here, see? Now, how am I supposed to put them together? I don't know, but something like this, I guess. Maybe. Sticks out. Okay. Close enough for government work, eh?